Hey guys, it's Hogan here, and I just wanted to create a super quick video to show you how to create a professional domain email in Siteground and then show you how to connect it to your Gmail accounts so you can also send email from your Gmail account and also receive emails into your Gmail inbox, right? Because if you're using the default sort of hosting provider's email interface, it's quite old and honestly it's not as good as Gmail. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that really quickly. And it's also really important if you are, running an e-commerce store using WordPress, because if a customer purchases from you, they're going to receive a order confirmation. And if you're using just your Gmail, normal Gmail account, it's going to show a warning message, and that's not going to be very good. Okay. So what we're going to do is jump straight into it. So what we need to do is just log into your default sort of Siteground user area. Now this is the new area. Now if you haven't been upgraded, then it's going to look something like this. All right. So I'm just going to quickly show you for those of you who are using the old one. It's going to take a few seconds. Just click on My Accounts. And then what you want to do is click on the cPanel area. Okay, scroll down to Mail and then click on Email Accounts. And then here, okay, this can be like sales or info, and then select your domain here, right? So let's just say this one is hello. All right, and then just set in your password. Okay, so this is just your password. All right, and then put in a mail quota. So let's just say 500 MB and create an account. Okay, so that's pretty much it to create an account. Now I'll show you how to connect it after I show everyone how to do it on the new one. Okay, so here, click on the websites tab. Okay, so over here, we can click on the site tools. And then you can click on email accounts here, or you can also click on email, click on accounts there as well. All right, so select your domain here. Okay, then the next step is, let's just say, for example, this one's going to be sales. All right, and then you can set in your password again, just like that, and then click on create. All right, so once you've done that, then it's created and it's showing here. All right, so I'm going to show you how to connect it with your Gmail account now. So what you can do is go and log into your Gmail account and then click on settings over here. Okay, click on accounts and import. And then you want to do is scroll down to check email from other accounts. All right, so it's going to log into your sort of domain email and to check emails. So click on add email account. Okay, so here we just need to add in the email. So for example, sales, I want to check emails from here. And sometimes it appears under your window. So just minimize your screen and paste in your email address and then click on next. All right, click on next here. And then here for your username, this is exactly the same as your email address. So the password is the password that you just set in. Now for your POP server, you want to put it just as your domain URL. So moderndemo123.com. Your one's going to be yourname.com. Okay. And for the port, you want to set it to 995. And then you want to select always use a secure connection. And then you can also label it if you want to as well. All right. Click on add account. Okay, so now that has been added and it's going to receive and retrieve the email from this account. So now it's asking you, do you want to be able to send emails as sales at moderndemo123? If you do, click on next. And then here, just set in your name and then click on next. All right, so for the SMTP server, again, just put in your domain.com. And for the port, you want to set it to 465. And then for the username, you just paste in your email address, right? And then for the password, enter in the same password as before. Okay, so select SSL and then click on add account. All right, so what it's going to do now is it's just going to send you a confirmation email to basically show so that you can actually show that you own this domain. All right, so you need to go back to here to your Gmail account. And you can scroll down here, okay, and then you can find your new email that you've added and click on check email now. So that's going to pull in the sort of the emails from this account over here. So for example, you can also use the login to webmail here. And this is sort of the old interface area, right? And generally, you know, I don't really like to use it. I just like to have everything in one place. So you can just go back here and it says, you know, one mail fetched. All right. So you can just go back to your inbox. Okay. Click on the email and then you can enter in the confirmation code or just click on the link over here and confirm that. All right. So now if we refresh the Gmail account over here, then we can click on compose. All right, so you can click on the drop down here and then you can select if you want to send an email from your specific account. Okay, so once you've done that, and let's say if you have a WooCommerce store, then you need to go to your WooCommerce website over here. All right, and then go to WooCommerce, click on settings, and then you want to click on the email tab. All right, scroll down. And then here, you want to select your from address and paste in your new email. And then you can click on save changes. All right, so that is pretty much it for that video. If you have any problems or troubles, drop the comments down below. If you like the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.